Ever wondered why the sad shortcut for circle tangents actually work? Today we are proving why minor arc and outside angle always sum to 180 degrees. Let's start with the geometry. When we connect the center point O to the point of tangency A and B, we create a four-sided shape, the quadrilateral OAPB. Now, a fundamental rule of circles is that a radius is always perpendicular to the tangent line at the point of contact. That gives us two perfect 90-degree angles at A and B. Since those two angles alone adds up to the 180 degrees, and we know that quadrilateral must have a total sum of 360 degrees. Now, we left with exactly 180 degrees to be shared between the center angle, which is AOB, and our outside angle, which is APB. That means they are supplementary. But remember, the measure of central angle is exactly equal to the measure of the arc it intercepts. So angle AOB is functionally the same as the measure of minor arc AB. And there is the proof. Minor arc plus outside angle equals 180 degrees. No more guessing, no more long formulas, just pure geometrical logic. Use this to save your time on next SAT. If that helped you understand circle better, hit that like button and subscribe for more SAT math breakdown.